All right, in this video of our reference notes, we're going to be doing example D, similar triangles formed by what's called crisscross triangles. Today's reference video is brought to you by period D. All right, so you can see here these crisscross lines give you two similar triangles. This is the smaller one and this is the bigger one. We'll go here just so we have it. For later, for scale factor, we'll call this our old. So copy this down, old. And this one will be our new. In this example, it wants us to find the value of x. So if I highlight that for you, we're finding this value right here. So as usual, the first thing we're going to do is set up a proportion. So fraction line equals fraction line. All right, so it's kind of interesting. It's almost like, and it's kind of funny that I highlighted in yellow. You almost follow the yellow brick road to see what corresponds. So this x actually corresponds to this 6. So if you follow the yellow brick road, if you will, and you just kind of keep going up the line right here, you could say here that x corresponds to 6. So we'll go x corresponds to 6. All right, so now we have some choices. We could either use these two corresponding sides or these two corresponding sides. I'm going to choose the ones that don't have fractions, so I'm going to use the other set of the crisscross, and I'll highlight it here in green. So that means I'll do this one, and then it goes to that one. So raise your hand. How would I write this in the denominator? Would I go 5 and then 8, or would I do 8 goes to 5? What do you think, Katie? Nice and loud.
8 goes to 5.
8 goes to 5. All right. So 8 goes to 5 goes here. So now I cross multiply and divide. So then I would get 5x equals 48. Divide each side by 5, and I get x equals 8, and it looks like that would be, no, excuse me, not 8. Boo! 9 and 3/5, like that. So now that makes me very happy. All right, just to double check, I'm going to do it super quick to make sure. We did the other proportion and we chose these two corresponding sides, so that would just be x, copy this down, goes to 6, and 12.8 goes to 8. I just want to see if this would be the same. So this would give me 8x equals 12.8 times 6 is 76.8. Divide each side by 8. Yeah, 9.6. So it does come out to, and 3/5 is really, 3/5 is actually 0.6. So 9.6 comes out either way. So what's one more thing that we could probably figure out with this when we did the new and the old? What do we still have to figure out, Keegan?
Scale factor. So
Keegan says scale factor. So let's write that in this little spot. So scale factor is new divided by old. Let's see here. We have 3 sets of corresponding sides. Does anyone want to tell me a set that you want to use for new and old? Let's go to Katie again.
5 and 8.
All right, I'm going to circle those in 5 and 8. Let's see, where's 5 and 8? Oh, we need, if we did 5, oh yeah, 5 and 8. So this would be our new and this would be our old. So we would do it back down here. It would be 8 divided by 5. Which is 1 and 3/5. It would be the scale factor. That makes me very happy.
Woo!
And again, in case you weren't listening in the beginning, this video is brought to you by period D.